What's up, bro? Bang! Bang! I'm gonna go camping in a Kampong Club, 12 o'clock. Now we're heading. I guess I even have done it.
It's true, I crave you. It's true, I crave you.
This is our drink that we're gonna get for tonight. So we got 2 rum, 2 bottles, 2 liters. And we got pineapple juice and grape. We're gonna rock the boat out tonight.
It's true, I crave you.
Now they're cooking Cambodian food on the boat in Kampong Club.
Let's just stop and think before I lose faith.
Yeah, this is very special dish. It's not happening a lot. Yeah, only sometime when we have special occasion. Oh, look at that. Look at this red thing on top.
The food is getting ready. This time I'm here with new friends, and it's been good. We have a lot of food, and we got some drinks for tonight too. I can't wait for tonight. Very fresh air, and I hope that we're going to find something cool to start, and we're going to jump into the water. Going down. bedroom. You can see from here. My entrance to the elevator is my bedroom. Hopefully that we can camp on the boat right there tonight.
I'm waiting on you.